Hello everyone, welcome to our skill building channel. Starting your coding journey? I think yes. Starting your coding journey can be an exciting and challenging experience, but with the right mindset and resources, it can also be rewarding. Here are some steps you can take to start your coding journey as a fresh coder. Define your goals. Determine why you want to learn to code, what you want to achieve with your coding skills, and what specific programming languages or technologies you want to learn. This will help you stay motivated and focused. Choose a language. There are many programming languages to choose from, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Consider starting with a beginner-friendly language like Python or JavaScript. Learn the basics. Start with the fundamentals of programming such as data types, variables, loops, and functions. Online tutorials, videos, and books can help you learn these concepts. Practice coding. Put what you've learned into practice by building simple programs or projects. Start with small projects and gradually move on to more complex ones. Join a coding community. Joining a coding community can help you connect with other coders, learn from their experiences, and get feedback on your projects. Continue learning. Keep up with the latest developments in your chosen programming language or technology by reading blogs, attending meetups, or taking online courses. Be patient. Learning to code takes time and practice. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or errors, and keep pushing forward. Remember, coding is a skill that can be learned and improved over time. With dedication and persistence, you can become a skilled coder. Thank you. You may have liked it. For more such videos, subscribe to Creative Life.